Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to reset Zen browser settings in 2026. If the browser is behaving strangely, settings have been changed accidentally, or you want to start fresh without reinstalling the browser, this guide will help you do it step by step. First, open Zen Browser on your computer and click the menu button in the top right corner of the window. Next, open the Settings page and look for options related to troubleshooting, browser reset, or profile management. Now review your current settings and make note of any important customizations you may want to restore later. Next, locate the Reset Settings or Refresh Browser option if it's available in your version of Zen Browser. Now confirm the reset action when prompted. The browser will restore default settings while removing problematic configurations. Next, wait for the process to complete and allow the browser to restart automatically if required. If a built-in reset option is not available, create a new browser profile to restore default settings without reinstalling the application. Now check whether the issue you were experiencing has been resolved after the reset. Next, re-enable only the extensions and custom settings you actually need to avoid reintroducing problems. Finally, keep Zen Browser updated and review new extensions carefully to maintain stable performance. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to reset Zen Browser settings. Your browser should now be running with a clean configuration and improved stability. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.